In this time, you are living in a modern area. For learning spoken English, you have everything in your hand. Nevertheless, if you say, I cannot speak English, I cannot learn English, I don't have any way to learn English, so sorry for that. I will say, আমি আপনাকে বলবো হতভাগা in Bangla. In Bangla, we say হতভাগা. You know, you are so failure if you provide this kind of accusation that I cannot learn spoken English. আমি ইংলিশ শিখতে পারতেছি না, there is no way, আমার কোনো উপায় নাই এখানে, how can I learn, কিভাবে ইংলিশ শিখবো? So you're হতভাগা because you know that AI generation is going on, man. Come on, you are living 2025, okay? So you have everything in your hand, just you have to focus on this language, then you will learn it very easily. So come on, learn this language and make yourself better one.